Hello guys, welcome to Epsonium, and today I'll be showing you how to remove ads from YouTube. So I'll be showing you how to remove the ads without subscribing to YouTube Premium, and it's completely free. So I'll be showing you two methods today, uh, and it's a very useful method, and I've been using this for years. So first I'd like to show you the YouTube video without these extensions and tools. So there are some ads here, and let me see which video has ads. Oh, this one. No, this doesn't have ads too. Okay, this video. You can see some ads here, and you have to skip ad to watch the video. So I'll be showing you the first method. So uh, so first go to Google Web Store. Then you can see some extensions, like you can see this to web store for Google Chrome, and you can search the extensions. First I'll be showing ad block extension. So this one, the best ad blocker. Just add to the Chrome, add extension. So it's installing, and so it's done. Yep, you don't need to pay anything, just close it, and you have some options here, and then go to YouTube, the same video again. So it's playing without ad, and also this ad blocker, it blocks ads of majority of website in any website. So yeah, this is the best ad blocker for YouTube and any other websites. And the second method I'll be showing you is this. For the same Chrome Web Store, you can go to enhancer for YouTube. This one, add to Chrome. So yeah, this is like dedicated to YouTube only. So this has many other options. So let's reload the page. Go to any video. So you can have the options to loop, boost bowling, add to visual, remove ads, and all, and other options for YouTube here. Cinema mode, expand, pop-up player, speed, video filters, screenshot, keyboard shortcuts, and more options. So yeah, these two methods, these two extensions are very powerful, and they can block ads in YouTube, and you can use them for free without paying anything, and enjoy YouTube without subscribing to YouTube Premium. Thank you for watching, and I will be posting more videos. Please like, share, and subscribe. Thank you.